I got this Venus, Simply Venus Razors का 5 and the brow pencil in the other. Hello lovely people, I'm Akanksha and welcome to Get Lighting Akanksha. So today's video is a huge ass Nykaa haul. Yes, it's a haul after so long because I got all this stuff before the lockdown, but I was a bit skeptical about making this video because obvious reasons. And yeah, even now it's not very safe to order things online, but still I wanted to make this video because all these stuff have been cluttered up for so long, almost 2 months now, and I just wanted to make this video and just finish it up. Okay, so to start with, I have my current obsession, you guys. So this is the Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipstick. It's in the shade Bombay, and I kid you not, this is the most beautiful nude color that I have ever used. Now before this lipstick, I was in love with the Blue Heaven Elegance Matte Lip color in the shade 11, and that was a pretty neutral pink color. This is more towards a warm, not exactly warm, but it's like a peachy nude color, and I also feel that this is gonna suit every complexion if I'm not wrong, and the quantity is pretty good. It retails for 599 rupees. The formula is amazing. It is so lightweighted. It does take a little bit of time to settle down as a matte, but once it does, it's just there. Okay, you get 5 ml of products, which is pretty good. And talking about its longevity, if you eat or drink oily food, then it fades from the center, but still it's there and does not look very ugly. I love this lipstick, you guys. I am thinking of getting a few more shades, but for now I have quite a few lipsticks and I'm not someone who goes out of the house a lot, so yeah, I don't want to waste my money on that. And can you see, this is how pretty the shade is. It is so pretty. Also the applicator, it's a pointed doe foot applicator. Again, pretty easy to apply, like on the curves of your lips. It's pretty easy to apply. Coming to the next product, it's again one of my favorites, is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. Oh my god, you guys, I don't know, was I under the rock or something, but how the hell did I miss this product for so long? I am in the shade 20 Light Medium, and this is like the perfect loose powder for beginners. It is not so expensive and not that cheap either. It's for 695 bucks, which is a bit costly, I feel, because I'm someone who always goes for cheaper products. Cheap but good quality, okay, that's a must. Good quality is a must. And yeah, you get 20 grams, which is a lot of products, and this is how it opens. You just need to twist it and it opens. It is the perfect loose powder you can have, you guys. Just grab this. So this is the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in the shade 100 Molten Gold. It also has another shade which is like a pinky cool tone color, and this is a warm tone golden color, as you can tell already from the name. You get 6.7 grams of products in this, and it retails for 550 rupees, but of course you can get it on a sale for a cheaper price. Like I got this for 340 rupees, which is pretty cheap. It is a very good and affordable highlighter. The quality is really good. It is not at all chunky. It is very creamy. It glides on really easily, and also it is not like your in your face highlighter. I'm wearing it today and you can see it's so stunning. And yes, I would definitely recommend this product to every single newbie with makeup. Definitely get your hands on this. Next up, I have another Nykaa product. So it is this Rock Hard Nail Hardener, and this is from their nail spa range if I'm not wrong, and they have 6 more thing like this, like nail potion, calcium milk, anti-yellow coat. Then they also have the 2-in-1 top and base coat, but honestly you guys, I use this both as my top and base coat, and this works perfectly. And talking about the nail hardening stuff, I do feel that after applying this, the nails feel a tad bit harder and they are not breaking since I'm using this, so thumbs up. And yeah, you can easily use it for 3-in-1 purpose, like top coat, base coat, and also for nail hardening purposes. I would highly recommend you this. And talking about the price, it is for 250 rupees, you guys, and you get 12 ml of products, which is pretty affordable in my opinion. So you can definitely try this product once. Next up is an eyebrow pencil. Now if you have been following me since quite some time now, you know that I have been using the Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil in the shade dark grey, And I finally got another one. This is the Miss Chase one. It also has a spoolie at the rear end and the brow pencil in the other. And this is in the shade dark brown, if I'm not wrong. Let me check. Yes, it is in the shade 02 dark brown, and because of this spoolie it's a bit more easier to apply and just blend the product all throughout your brow. And the color is pretty nice, but however I do prefer a gray color for my eyebrows. I don't know, it just feels right to me. And yes, talking about this product, it is not a bad product. I am loving this so far. It is pigmented, it glides on nicely, and you get, it was mentioned in the sticker, you guys, so I'll definitely put the quantity and the price on the screen right now, so do give it a watch. Yeah, I mean, that's about this product. I don't have much to say about this. It is an affordable good product, and if you are in search of a affordable eyebrow pencil with a spoolie, like the Swiss Beauty one was my holy grail, but it did not come with a spoolie, so this wins their way. Next up is a skincare product. So I got this Mamaearth Upton face mask. This is how it looks. It comes with this outer cardboard packaging, which I have not removed yet because, you know, itni dhool hai na, it just gets dug in the dust. So I have kept it in the cartoon as itself. So now this is an Upton face mask. Now I am pretty sure every single one of you knows what an Upton is. It's basically meant to brighten up your skin, your complexion, and give you a glow to the face. This also works same. It has apricot, it has apricot oil, it has saffron, it has turmeric, and a lot of different ingredients as well, which are pretty useful for your complexion and brightening of the skin. Okay, so you get 100 grams of products. It retails for 499 rupees. I will give you a look at the mask, how it looks. Now this is not a very fine consistency wali face mask, you know, it has some coarse particles in it. So it can also act as a scrub and exfoliator to your face, so that's again an added bonus, I feel. Even though I have not used it so much yet, I just used it twice. I still need to use it a bit more to actually give a review about it. Then I have this Color Bar nail enamel remover. Now since the time that I started using nail paints, I have been using the most common, sabka common Lakme, the blue wala, not blue actually, it's purple, the Lakme ka nail paint remover. But then I saw this and it claims that it is acetone free, but honestly I'm not sure what it's gonna what benefit it's gonna have by being acetone free, but it just felt good, so I grabbed it. Talking about the MRP, it is for 125 rupees and you get 100 ml of products, which is pretty good and pretty affordable. Next up I have a sunscreen. So for the longest time now I have been using the VLCC ki matte look depigmentation sunscreen, but I was seeing this on Nykaa, Flipkart and Amazon. So yes, this is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch SPF 50 plus sunscreen. So I thought of giving this a try and I got the tiniest one. It is for 199 rupees and you get 30 ml of products. And honestly you guys, I am not a huge fan of this. I don't know, I felt like it is breaking me out. I'm not sure, it might just be psychological, but I really felt like so. Even though the VLCC one is not non-comedogenic, but this is, but it came out to be ulta for me. I don't know what's wrong with my skin or the products, but it just didn't seem to work for me. It has a pretty light formula though, so it's pretty good for summers. Can you see it? And it blends pretty easily. It does not feel heavy whatsoever. I didn't feel the product. Next up, let's talk about a product. So it's actually the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, but you guys, I'm not sure if all of you guys know, but Maybelline has launched a new shade in their Fit Me range. Earlier they had, I don't know, 8 shades I guess, but now they have another one, which is the 36 golden. It's somewhere in between the caramel and some other shade. Okay, so it's the 36 golden. And you know, when you say golden, what do you expect? You expect a warm golden yellowish tone wali color, right? But this is not a golden warm tone color. It's a neutral peachy sort of a shade. So I was not a huge fan of this. I was really frustrated when I saw the shade. I mean, I was expecting it to match my skin tone perfectly because it said golden, but it is not at all near to golden at all. So yes, it is a peachy orangey shade, so I was pretty turned off with this. But however, it is good to hide your dark circles and stuff because it is orangey. So because it is orangey, because it is orangey, so it can very easily hide your dark circles and blemishes, so it's pretty good that way, but otherwise it's not gonna match with your skin tone. At least it's not gonna match with my skin tone. Now talking about the price and stuff, I'm pretty sure you guys know it retails for 475 rupees and you get 6.8 ml of products. The coverage is not that great, but still it's workable. And just one concern that I have with this product is the shade. I wish it resonated with the name that is given. So yes. Then I have another Nykaa product. It's the Nykaa Nail Enamel and it's in the shade Lemon Pudding 48. This is an amazing yellow shade. I am loving this, but yes, it is not that opaque. You need to go with 2-3 coats for an opaque solid color to show up on your nails. So that's a problem, and also it takes a bit longer to dry, and it retails for 179 rupees and you get 9 ml of products, which is okay for a nail paint. Oh my god, I'm tired already. I have a few more products to talk about. So the next one is this L'Oreal Hydra Fresh Genius Multi-Active Essence Cream. So this actually I got for my mom because she wanted for a very lightweighted moisturizer. This is like a gel thing, okay? It's not a creme or cream, it's a gel. This does not render any moisture to your skin. It dries out completely the moment you apply it on your face. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend this product to anyone because I was really disappointed with this. And you get 50 ml of products and it retails for somewhere around 600 rupees, I guess. The next product, you guys, this is a Nicka K makeup product. It's their Sugar Plum eyeshadow palette. It is a 9 color eyeshadow palette, as you can see. This looked so lovely on the site, like on the Nykaa app. And this also looked lovely when I got this. The pigmentation is okay, but the shades are pretty repetitive. I feel the two matte pink shades that they have are the same, not similar, they are same. And the pink glitter shades also that they have are same. So yes, if you are having two pairs of the same color, it doesn't make sense to me. So yes, I was a bit disappointed. And yeah, it retails for 499 rupees, but of course I got it on a discounted price for somewhere around 250 rupees, I guess. Next up is a body care product. So I got this Simply Venus 5-in-1 pack. So this is how it looks. I have already used one of them. Now I'll just show you how it looks in case you don't know, but these are pretty famous ones from Gillette. And yes, this is how the razor looks. It's a pretty feminine one, the pinky color, you know. Even though they claim it to be a disposable razor, but it pretty much works for a month, like easily for a month. 275 rupees it retails for, and if you buy these individually, I feel they retail for 70 rupees, which is again not bad for a razor. So yes. Next up is again a refill. So I got this Cetaphil Ka Gentle Skin Cleanser. Now if you have been following me since a long time now, you'd know that this is what I have been using. This is for 470 rupees and you get 250 ml of products. On this product I have an in-depth review and demo wali video. Also I have it with a combination of the Cetaphil Ki moisturizer. So if you're interested to watch a full-blown review of this product, then the link is gonna be in the description box. To give it a watch. I'm not gonna speak about this more here. Now moving on to the next product is a product from L'Oreal. Yet again I got this for my mom, not for me of course. This is the L'Oreal Skin Expert Anti-Aging Cream. It has SPF 21. Now this cream, you guys, is okay-ish. Again, not so great because it has SPF. The formulation is not so moisturizing. It is a bit drying, but it's good. I mean, for a daytime use in this summer, it's quite a good product. And you get 50 grams of products and it retails for... So we have come towards the end of today's video, and talking about the last product, I got these pack of 20 masks. These are the surgical sort of a mask and you get 20, as I said. And yes, because of the COVID-19 thing, we need to indulge in stuff like these. And I would like to urge every single one watching this video, please stay home as long as you can, as much as you can. And if you need to go out of the house, please do not go out without a mask. And if you have gloves, then do wear it, and always carry a sanitizer with you. So yes, I guess with that it's a wrap for today's video. I hope you people like this haul and you enjoyed it. If you did that, please give this a big thumbs up and also comment down below and tell me whatever you feel like. And yes, I'll definitely see you with another video. Until then, it's me, Akanksha, signing off. Bye.